Hey friends, Lucian here with the Bullish Bears team. This video is going to be about how to trade Doji Candlesticks. Now, Doji Candlesticks can be found in several different places. They can be found in uptrends for reversal to the downside. They can be found in downtrends for reversal to the upside, and then also in consolidation periods. So dojis have several different looks. This is just going to be your typical doji, which looks like a plus sign. So they have very thin wicks and shadows and real bodies. Bigger real bodies would be called more like spinning tops. But you know, when you look at things like dojis, there's long-legged dojis, there's gravestone dojis, regular dojis, spinning tops. They're just signs of consolidation or indecision or reversals. So this video is going to show you reversals to the downside and then also reversals to the upside. But again, you'll find these on just all different stock charts and time frames. So this one right here will be just kind of showing you target right here. You'll see has kind of like, it looks like a plus sign, right? You'll see some that look right here and over here, down over in here, down over in here. Again, you have to know support resistance levels, those horizontal and vertical support and resistance levels. But I'm going to show you kind of this one right here, just an example if you want to go for reversal to the downside. What happens on a doji like this, again, make sure you know your support resistance levels. You don't just go and trade it randomly. But if you were going to take a short, you would take a short as price falls below this doji, and you'd use a candlestick close above this doji as your stop, right? So short as price falls below the doji, candlestick close above as your stop. Now let's look at one to the upside. Taking a look here at Disney. You'll see as price is falling right here, you get a doji right here. Has a little bit of a bigger real body. Again, this is where I show you things that might be perfect and then also not so perfect. You'll see like dojis are all over the place. This could be a doji, that could be a spinning top. This could be a doji or spinning top, doji. So you'll see them just all over the place right here. They're also called star patterns. So as price is kind of falling, it's a start to many a times a morning star if it's a reversal to the upside, or an evening star if it's a reversal to the downside on the previous one. So let me go back over to that one and see. It's not always the case. Again, you look for the confirmation candles. What one was that I was just looking at? All right, so I was looking at target here. You'll see price moved up. You formed that doji right here, which turned into a star, and then that turned into an evening star pattern right here, 3 candlestick pattern down to the downside, right? So those single, double, and then triple candlestick patterns. So many times if you catch something on a reversal or as it's kind of setting up, you can catch it before there's confirmation of that third candlestick right here. So you'll see right here, that's that doji. It's called a star pattern many a times, and then it can turn into those morning star and evening star patterns. So it was looking again at target. This turned into an evening star pattern. Evening star pattern, you would take a short as price falls below over here. That's in theory. You don't just take it over here just in general. You have to look at those other support and resistance levels. But going back over here to Disney, when we go over to here, and we zoom in, price is falling, you would go long as price breaks above the doji and use a candlestick close below the doji as your stop. And you'll see this one did turn into a morning star pattern. So you see price falls, has the reversal candle, and then the next candlestick close are right up over here, turned into a morning star. A morning star, you would typically go long as price breaks above this candle. But again, you have to know support resistance levels before you just blindly trade them. So that's how dojis work, but you'll see them all over, just all over the place. There's consolidation, reversals, You know, there's indecision candles, reversals to the upside, reversals to the downside, and many times, again, you can call something a doji where it might be a spinning top. Something you can even say, oh, is that a long-legged doji? You know what I mean? So long-legged dojis have longer legs. I'll show that in one of my other videos. You'll just look at long-legged dojis, you'll see them. But again, don't have to go getting caught up in exactly what something looks like 100%. Just look at what it's telling you overall. Once you learn those support and resistance levels, you'll see dojis are indecision as well as reversal candles.